Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad for gym. Start by choosing ripe bananas, berries, and apples for quick carbs and fiber. Add Greek yogurt or a scoop of nut butter for protein and healthy fat. Sprinkle oats or chia seeds for texture and lasting energy. Portion into 1 to 2 cups and pack in an airtight container for freshness. Taste and adjust sweetness with a squeeze of lemon or honey if needed. Select ingredients by how they fuel your workout and how they hold up in a container. Berries and citrus stay fresh and add antioxidants, while banana and mango supply quick carbs and potassium. For protein, fold in Greek yogurt or cottage cheese to keep muscles fueled and hunger at bay. Add nuts or seeds for healthy fats and crunch, and avoid very watery fruits unless you plan to consume right away. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more simple gym snacks. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how some people think about money, so it might change how you plan grocery budgets and long-term goals too. It's a small read with big ideas and pairs nicely with meal prepping habits. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prep once and save time by cutting fruit into uniform pieces for easy eating between sets. Store any dressing or yogurt separately in a small container to avoid soggy fruit, then combine just before eating. Use an airtight container and an insulated bag with an ice pack to keep everything cool and safe. Label with the date and consume within 24 hours for best texture and flavor when you need that pre- or post-workout snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.